Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your devices are updated and paired. This prevents software blocks when recording an ECG. Make sure your watch is snug and skin is dry, because the sensor needs steady contact to read electrical signals. Open the Health app and enable ECG permissions and medical ID so readings are stored and available to share. Once done, locate the ECG app on your watch. You're now ready to begin the actual recording step that follows. You'll open the ECG app and sit comfortably to reduce motion artifacts, because movement corrupts the trace. Rest your forearm on a stable surface and touch the digital crown with the opposite index finger. This closes the circuit and lets the watch measure heart electrical activity. Hold steady for the full 30 seconds, the app shows a countdown, and don't talk or shift your posture. When the recording finishes, the watch analyzes the waveform. After the recording, view the result in the Health app so you can see the waveform and classification. Export a PDF to share with your clinician if needed. If you get a poor signal or inconclusive result, retake the test, clean and dry the skin, tighten the band a bit, and stay very still. If multiple attempts fail, restart the watch, repair it with your iPhone, and only then contact Apple support or your healthcare provider for next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.